Prime Minister Narendra Modi will embark on a two-day visit to Indonesia from today to attend the 20th Asian India Summit and 18th East Asia Summit. India's economy has been a global bright spot for a long time and it will continue even if the world is facing multi-dimensional impact of conflict, says PM Modi. India has extended support to Shanghai Cooperation Organization member countries to enhance legal and judicial capabilities. In Madhya Pradesh, the country's first solar city, Sanchi, will be inaugurated today by State Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. In US Open tennis, India's Rohan Bopanna and his Australian partner Matthew Ebden have reached semi-final of men's doubles, beating American pair of Nathaniel Lemons and Jackson Withrow in the quarter-final by 7-6, 6-1 in New York.